Your financial reality? It's not primarily shaped by your job or what the economy's doing. Based on years of seeing this play out, it's crystal clear. It's built by the quiet, constant conversation happening inside your head every single day. Most people just miss this. They're running the same negative tapes internally, repeating yesterday's worries and thoughts about money, and then they wonder why their bank account isn't changing, looking everywhere else for the fix. The sheer amount of this inner talk is huge. The average person has maybe 60,000 thoughts a day, and often 70 to 80% are negative and repetitive, especially about money. When you tell yourself things like, "It's just so hard to make money," or "I'm terrible with finances," you're not just describing reality, you're reinforcing it. You're wiring it in deeper. And it's physical. Those negative words trigger a survival response in your body. Cortisol spikes. You tense up. You're in a guarded state, vibrating with lack, and things like wealth, ease, and opportunity struggle to get through. Speaking from lack attracts lack. But if that's what happens unconsciously, imagine what happens when you flip it and do it on purpose. The beginnings of this shift don't have to take years. They can maybe show up in just 5 days. It's about conscious, wealth-aligned self-talk, grounding it in your power and worthiness, cultivating the belief that money is already on its way. You're rewiring your internal pathways. This inner conversation needs direction, repetition, and timing. You have to become the one reminding yourself who you really are. So, practically, how do you start? There are 2 key moments in your day, morning and evening. Right when you wake up, before your brain spins up, your mind is softer, more receptive. Before you even get out of bed, sit up, take a breath, and talk to yourself internally, or whisper it. Say slow, clear things, like, "This day is a clean slate," or "I'm not chasing, I'm receiving," or, write it down, like the phrase, "I'm open to receive unexpected money." Writing makes it tangible, tells your system this matters now. Feel it land in your body. Scene 2. Channel promotion. If you're feeling this resonate, if this deeper truth about money and your inner world is hitting home, make sure you stay connected. Go ahead and like and subscribe to this channel now. It keeps you close to this energy, to the version of you you're stepping into. The second crucial window is just before you fall asleep. As you're drifting off, your mind gets really receptive again. That last inner conversation slips past your usual defenses right into the subconscious, and it chews on it all night. Use those minutes to align, to reinforce. Maybe something like, "Today I showed up differently," or "I'm building new foundations quietly." It lets your system rest and integrate from a place of peace and trust. What about the pushback? Expected around day 2 or 3. You might feel like this isn't working. Old doubts flood back, anxiety surges. It is so important to know this isn't failure. It's proof you are shifting. That old identity, those old patterns, they're fighting to stay alive because you stopped feeding them. That voice saying this is fake or nothing's changing, that's just the old program trying to pull you back. You're building a new muscle. The work is noticing that voice, taking a breath, and calmly choosing your new thought again. Observe. Don't judge. Just redirect gently. The change tends to unfold in waves. First, you usually feel it emotionally. Less panic, maybe the heaviness around money starts to lift a bit. Then your perception shifts. Suddenly you see opportunities that were probably always there, but you were blind to them because of the fear. Finally, your actions change. You start doing things you avoided because that internal resistance is lower. Your outer world kind of has to start reflecting the inner changes. It goes way deeper than just the numbers. It's breaking that old emotional cycle, that signature that kept you stuck. It is the inner conversation that either welcomes money or pushes it away. You start vibrating differently, with readiness. Change is not always easy, but it's always possible. As we continue to explore the shifts in our financial mindset, remember that each step you take brings you closer to a more empowered future. Embrace the unfolding change with an open heart and a willing mind. If you found value in this, and you're ready to keep shifting this fundamental aspect of your reality, click the subscribe button now. This isn't just a video, it's a turning point. So, this new story keeps growing every time you come back. Your financial reality is this living system. It's mirroring how safe, how deserving, how capable you genuinely feel inside about money. You're not just waiting for financial freedom to happen to you, you're actively becoming someone who's a match for it through this inner work. Here's a thought to chew on. What happens when that constant inner voice stops sounding like you're just trying to survive and starts sounding like leadership? It becomes identity work. You're choosing daily, consciously, to be the version of yourself who already has the life you want. Just keep noticing that conversation. Keep choosing. If this is resonating with you, if you liked or learned something from this process, please comment below and share your thoughts. I'd love to hear what landed for you or how this resonates. You've taken back your narrative. You've become someone who no longer waits for financial freedom. You speak it, you live it, you are it. See you in the next one.